Bebraso, say near your for veteran say I train in Como. Na wahunu ne ekoso. It was statement we had more free Ghana Police Service. And no me kind ba coach no pay update bi aba. Yens ma me kind e de achiro na ya have video bi kakra bi. Na wahunu ne ekoso Ghana Police Service mu. But me can say still sort of for say Badwam Mpensenpensemu free say uhia so betwa state contribution ese mpacho enema eye akachiri. No be nyina etiawa ene se cosnet for akachi so ye wan kaso adwuma so e fitani wo ye tailor wo ye seamstress wo ye dey Mr. Wada ko state for akachi no mu entimi emu aso twa kakra efato wonom oku ahun jim 60 years a omo so atimi ahwe kopem so bo ade beto ne sa ade afro ene nye wo mu a eye bosumi adwuma kwa na twa snet o obi bia se fata no mekofa de bia fe seed Odo komaka chino mchechimo entro 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 cosnet for akachi omeboa amanchire mu bia ohia efa seed hu bia no nsa atimi aka abejafo atena se Eric Ejay a member of the NDC National Communications wo kobono so mantamu so a on a deputy communications officer ma NDC amanyoko no sanso na kwampoku AKCID abanam sini wa amanse south
di no mo yama o se waya kidinu e Clement Opoku jem se mama kwampoku CID ya jade ya
when o digi momo Clement Opoku jem obiya se no
ati do ga
semo obeba bobo
waya food
any waya food any passport
na say edin say onu so ni din yetu on say your kwampoku CID
baby odene na who baby odene na man
and the National Cathedral Board one
baby odene kwampoku CID ni book bi
okay menim say be Cathedral Board
eno making kakra bi a police for pen for any pay abonten no mu chem say a police for me ensan ya bo mu din ewo leaked bugri na bu tape ne so no ya interdicte omo
na bu gate
anopeye krata fra esa free police for enchen aba uhwe TV so the krata no etwodom obetimi follow up na ya kenkan o say update on police interdiction of 3 officers following the interdiction of COP George Alex Mensah, Superintendent Emmanuel Eric Jebi and Superintendent George Asari in connection with the leaked audio tape. The police administration would commence in disciplinary proceedings into their conduct upon completion of the ongoing probe by Parliament. In order not to prejudice the ongoing probe, the police administration has suspended the interdiction. Near say enra no ya interdicte omo but an opinion please for eke say omo suspend the interdiction no or because Parliament a start here or probi eye ensem na aban. Now there's also another video here appear somebody here honorable attaching ekaye ese enkomodie ekos no mo senya video bi ye no so ye leaked e won komodie ya ekos emu for the phrase yensa aka video bi ye ko ye be mo ahwe said the video no that was when you see bugri na abu say oni krofo edi nkomo how IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare ehwe no on e ka na asem any how contract bi omo enyanya ewo quickly ye hwe video na bugri na abu epiem no
I'll tell you I've gone and shit.
No, we will not go anything and look. Your share and our share need to come one place.
What I'm saying is that because I wanted to tell you. Now
we are telling us to shoot.
Where that you?
Listen, I come. Are telling us when you get your share, we will not.
Me, look, I don't want old man to know that I'll come and use lie to him. He give the appointment I was going for my back kick. That's how it's going to look. I don't want that thing to happen. But that's why I'll call you. Come. Let me
if
you are coming to keep quiet. You are telling lies again.
So now you are going to. He's going to say it. He wants
Me and
what I want.
and I'm also assuring Chairman that
You listen.
woman,
take time.
listen. I swear God, what I plan, like Chairman know my head. I swear God. Then from Monday to Friday, because our entry shows that they will give you money. If they didn't give us, I'll not come here. I swear, I'll go and tell President, we brought you Dampari for you. They give you contract, and the Dampari do this. So Olman should not trash you.
Not trash you.
Do. Fine. And I'll go and let the issue go.
He said he's calling SK, so let's
SK,
whatever.
I went there with you.
Yes.
When I came out, what did I tell you in the car? Did I tell you that Michael has surprised me? That Dampari said.
Now give him the money. Yes.
Did I?
Yes.
That I should call him. Since then, I think pick up.
No. It's okay.
So if I don't know anything, then I was shocked. And that's why I wanted to call you. My brother, this Kamanga people shouldn't be there. This is when I went to see them Paris. This is what he told me. When Michael came here yesterday, what did I tell you? I told him I didn't see them Paris. Is that not what I told him?
Yes.
So I don't want to deal it to him and later you blame me, I'll blame you.
Okay.
So what Dampari told me yesterday, he has signed the contract with Michael. He has paid him money. I was expecting him to tell me, how am I going to get our share? This is what I wanted to go into the matter. So I told him, what I asked was, but why Michael didn't say anything? And you yourself too, you told this boy that the money will come to me. Was it Ben Kofi? Ben Kofi. The contract was awarded to Ben Kofi, and Ben Kofi gave the contract to him. So it is not the contract, me and him, we know our IGP giving him the contract. That contract didn't come. Look at what they are telling me now. And so this particular contract, the job was given to Ben Kofi, and Ben Kofi also intend subletting it to him. So I said now, so tell me, are you still bringing any money for me to give to the boys, or what? Because you said you got some calls from even vice president of people to call you. Me, I don't know how they get your number, but me, I called them. I called your sister. Your sister told me the contract was ready. They are now going to do production. Now I went to IG to see the contract was completed. If you don't want trouble, bring the money for me to give to the boys. Otherwise, I cannot guarantee you the problem can come. So he told me that today is Monday. He said today he's going to meet Ben Kofi, the person the contract was awarded to. They'll discuss it and see they can get some money. So it's not even a
yeah. And you will go on other assets and so Hodom. It's your queen, you have one crack, ama. Well, when you echo edifa. Honorable MC Bokodia.
Nyamiadom. Maybe I will any MP.
Okay.
But Giddy say, yeah.
Umpesu to say.
Nyamiadom, Hoboko.
Impuntu or to say.
Fantastic. The same question radio, you know, quite all sorts in Habisa. Because I'm Puntu a question in our Nitia.
But by being a tenant.
It will be some Magana for Nyamiadom Puntu ne Kui. And you know, video I will be Mentiasi. You say, Eric has in the Pabonini Bakruma, who be at Aqua. Nanka, Puntu a Koswa. I will mention was saying, the Kawas and Casabri better. Kawapamo, I mean, free. Nanka be Boderu, I may come once. So the SC and the Better Hannah. Who be video, say will be there or recording. In the first we record will be without the person's knowledge. Wrong. They say the era of recording, we are near recording. It is a more video course, and you're careful. Because I'm here, because he was after one Muna, not was in the essay.
Video coin at the assembly.
Okay, just say I'm fast, not going to be able now, what did the better crying? Oh,
enough for more
video course.
Now, by we know some are reckless. About economic sense and recklessness, every aspect. So serious. Mechano. Oh, we are say. I can fool baby say, oh, real four and son. Now you're then transfer.
Now how dear.
Also for a boy for an insanity pansa sepao. Ure muyi ni sinika cray. Papa Jenenum didn't true Gumahama's opposition year press conference or Casacronims who didn't throw. You trusted him. But bringing the whole book green Abuna American Assembly. And now bringing the whole administration down. This bunch of criminals in government. No, it's criminal enterprise. Remember, when the Armenian no, you will never be a kind of secret. By a Baha, no, let me tell you something. Because I didn't see. Look at the message I received. If you see something, say something for you.
Yeah.
Almost send them out. Every day, must send you a message. What's up for Korea National Security Minister and the security couples in this country? Look at what they are doing. And is that what we want? Now, no wonder. Adia Badwam Mpensenpensemu head of economic management. Head of economic management team. Head of police council. No, the chairman. The vice president, the chairman for the police council. He's a mess.
Now, Eric said here, and
I'm saying, what are you telling me? This tsunami next police administration, and a vice president by law. Or your head of the police council. Now, can't let me say, yes, not to 2 years. We don't go there.
Council members, we now.
COPLS means on council. No, don't parent council. Who is the head of the council?
Eric, but you.
I am telling you, sir. But we are doing
okay, but maybe. But let me say.
Mujia trophy force will groom as and you see the mess in our country.
Or can ask them. And
I am talking of Ghana Police Service, not Yaudie.
Okay.
So you are telling me, say, me Eric J, party executive. Not me Kokasim Binaji, who I am saying this for now. Who is the leader of our party? Me ba Jimano, Jai said Jumana Yaw, and wow. Kwasi, I didn't have net time.
Eric J.
I am a Ghanaian. Police for share Kwanso, Ameba, or got to turn him to him, who traffic, who hear him cranny edge. Please forbid the misconduct. Who is the head of the Security Council in this country? Who is the head of the National Security? And who is the head of the Police Council? So you are telling me some morning show crew, we money leader or damano. I dear Meso ha na kwesichum probia busana onye obi amusano. More reporter, I'm on a channel of maybe I'm more voice out of grievances. And this thing is happening. What me my bugin na the tower we could try and say not here kunjam na mo cow my no say basa. Look at this. Reckless leaders in charge of our country.
Yeah, that's it. Kwasi there was a you say in the first place.
There was
Kwasi
you know I like
Eric.
and they free. Chairman, I say my crown chairman.
There was a Kwasi Minumbi who Eric the own who be Ghana say in the first place say menu shaku come near bonko. It me di enkomo bia PBA.
Yeah.
By a better radio you see. And by a better TV so yet me nka nsem bia e betimi akwa abonten a bia e dey hoye your name nyama beba. Nti say bugi na bute eho na mpanyimfo no so ka hu no mu di omo nkomo no. They have relationship. Omo di nkomo uni obi hia anopai mu so mu di nkomo o baabi. Eno na nche say nkomo no betimi dia ba ha. Nti say nipa boni ni be frame no record the beto abonten a it doesn't cast a spell on obia or nothing baby. If
you are wrong,
by extension, you
are wrong.
Eric.
I'm not wrong.
Eric.
By extension, the police service, Ghana Police Service, is under the Interior Ministry.
Yeah.
I didn't see any own stretcher arm. Like I said, the Interior Minister. Now you want to just limit it now because Dr. Baumia ever contest a musro nintino bibia Dr. Baumia bibia Dr. Baumia. You don't do that. You don't do that. So much than na Dr. Baumia. The interior minister is in charge of Ghana police. Why you say no? What's my whole coming say
no dey kran fani dim mam ni krom fon kwa na wo police jano you don't know that man oswo mugu you turn back no who doesn't know who cannot create interior minister asa ne hon kwa na Ghana Mr. Correct police you see what they are doing now because my men cannot create some of us nyame ne adom bi na de afie kurase abedum kran nti ukomi krom a e bia ni pet kran ye no 20 ba me ye 1 nti aka 19 na ohwe Ghana population over 30 million na yesi ye fa police for na one constituency it me fa nipa be 100 150 why jiri krom for kwa na ebo kohwe
na
na onim say aban we mu e to na be tra mo nka no kra mo nka nkyere backdoor say dia kwa ne ye ne
me nka bi ankyere backdoor
you people mo ka kire so why
erikeje
because many abre
time no de oye no no bi agire de
no ka privacy asem on the eja on the suamra me dey citizen of Ghana hwe o fair constitution na o call articulating na meaning say right to privacy is there but asem the content asem na ye ka ho asem it borders on national security issue. It is how why all right now. What we've been a long time. Because asem na o kan meba o kwa to IGP egu. Ama o waba. Meba na o tape no wa hwani na de.
Wale so go to
yeah wo doc yeah wo fu you know say ko si maka
we dey nya full video. And mo fa
bugri na budi ma president so de man. What am I say? So o share asem na o mo kan in the video na. It borders on national security because na etie o man ne munyo Boku kranta wanta we ba intimi nso ano papa hwe nipa ya hwe omonkwa na anu ada police fo che nkofo otesa no ye to omutu okumomo mia me krom nkranza abrante ya ye koche na etu niema na esisi ni doso it is a mo kwotena instead say mo betena say adwen the security of our country na mo connection mind for say the mechanic bia mo the deals mo cut deals are the IGP office why
Eric why
wakasa bi ha
che
so I can't hear you. I can't 15 minutes.
Time na mu na ewo no.
But see my main fan free, my main chair hwefo. Na main chair won odwuma ye force so. Titru pa ncha no so no baby an kese pa beko. E beko amansia south na ma chair me kromfo nyina. Cause my main fa IGP leak tape ne ho sensema ya shase se ye kan. And letters aba interdiction and the suspension of interdiction. I say, what chance of when question be what now what DVT?
And I ran
away. Child, no more. Sana coach.
There be no time. I room when ye. There is a
what started being your mistakenly. No, I think I will talk. Was it now? Copy we as an over chat. You know, if we say, and you also mistakenly no child. No more. I saw Quack finish it. You know. To watch a bear for like that, you can 2 minutes to stop work. Yeah. It's the other side. I want people to watch it. Please,
cancellation and not cancel.
Cancellation cancelled. Interview that. Police for you.
Okay.
So, you can say interdiction suspended. I mean, we say afterthought, but it's all good. We are saying administratively, no be I am for so. Moti here is here. Mama 8 o'clock. You will do her almost 7 something. You can finish as a cry, Cassa. And you administratively most my phone. So, maybe some program being a buyer overlapping. Yes, I administrative lapses, young offices, mistakes, but mistakes no how correct. Also correcting in such a way, say, Nippon so and honey panny be. I was expecting the second letter nearby, okay. Say, either at the tail end and I say introduction, or crabby kind, I render an unqualified apology, okay, to Omona the affected persons, no, na any and even to the public, any inconvenience. I almost first letter na cause biano or pahocha or near the achewomo. If we say, Opo penifo ya bo mudi ewo and krata obia wabusia. Sure. And it's strange, say mere coincidence or say they you penifo men saying you'll be the judge. George Akufu Dampare, George Alex Mensah, and George Asari. And you know, I said George for the way George not if you are, is not a we. I say a mere coincidence to say a day. But the whole union, I said, now may expect to say Bianca, the second letter now, a damage control, the corrections, no, ɛno bɛba na ɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛm na apakyɛw na ɛhu reason nti a ɔmatwɛn adeɛ no asan first letter na ɛbaeɛ na interdictive wɔ mu no and stati mima nhyɛ dɛ hu reason papa biara stati yɛnti ɛde ɛyɛ so we were all left on our own. The Lord is our shepherd. Ne nyina yɛnkɔ forum shopping obi a nkɔhwɛ deɛ ɔsusu sɛ anhwɛ ɛno na ama na yɛ nti deɛ dodoɔ na adwene kɔsi so yɛ the parliamentary probe na ɛkɔ so no ɛna dodoɔ na adwene kɔsi especially me adwene kɔsi yɛ no so and based on that now they be interdict yɛka sɛ interdict obi ankyɛ sɛ yɛyi na di let's also get it correct sɛ onyina nkyɛn na yɛyɛ hwehwɛ mu but the point is ansa na obi yɛ adeɛ a obetuma ka yɛn sɛ kwasi gyankyɛn yɛn hwehwɛ mu ne yɛ sɛ yɛhu yɛtumi establish mo kan say a prima facie case be say against you so we dey bibi nukura kakra bi egum ansa na interdict and so based on which principle and at the first letter no police administration gina so the issue say omo interdiction they see then the parliamentary probe is a parliamentary probe na wu gina so there na wo so ya bo wu so wudi wo mu panyina wo da de na no ya bo wudi wo say okay ho then the natural justice principle will come to play. Okay. What you say? The natural justice principle, to me, you cannot be a judge in your own course. Because you are both woody or market council who send some kakra whom they say, also so the whole abba. Yeah. Then who suspended who interdicting the pana and ye what I say? Or the or Trump pattern. No, Sano Macano. And to me, in fact, who are some for then who na was I suspending the panel no one yasem no emfa. And I'm sure and me who letter no. I saw me kind say police administration no new legal department and new commander. For you know bia no mutu mfuka no manti. But I'm glad say at the end of the day no Ghana for so a chain police for agency so because say watch your letter by your kind of analysis bi ana better unko proceed am nko bi da by na ka proceed for asem tie nya de ton sanya ni e ka na ehu da bia no krewo and thumbs up Ghana police service say obey ade na e be ka na obehu say de waye no so nya na watwe asan ye kwa anim susu ni etufo commander Dampare IGP one ne mpanyufo e wona se omoye adwuma ezi say kunya beto ho akosi obi a prebi oprea na wanya ne eventually you appointed back when the man obia edin adwubreo because afiachi ni abufunu bio ye gyae ye nyina ye di akire ze ko ba say o ma aka ne wa akire no so ye nsache we say manya de ya ne wo so mema wo ho akiro mesabotage wa na ama adwuma na ye den eno na minia Eric ka say it borders on national security because say emu anjo a ye so ye ho ntoye and it is something I was saying nyina ma ya adwene de ekoso. And you see a lot of allegations and statements here and there. Oba transfer will be why you wait Dampare onye nyame onye Yesu Kristo. Yesu Kristo nkwani ni Paul better as so one year from so. But so far as any paid them from so the baby. However, if the why no na obia no obeba say IGP be na about on your transfers. I'm sure they will all make transfers. Yeah, kwa me make say. Certainly, me call a secretary or officer. Yes, I moved here. Different person came. It happens. But there are some so bad. IGP Dampare also say how you also manage the situation. It's also important. Sometimes doing the right thing at the wrong time is still wrong.
Could it be say some of the police officers in the field say, "O much will police and Bukunim Dampare bada be ya pejan so dia kudu sampe so say." Ena edidi saa enema we nyina mo ede eba because ohwa na etinye se Dampare nya ade Dampare nya de la Dampare aya won sheda entine Dampare aya enye
so who follow probe na me follow pa omutimi bisa question bi na respondent na so we do best senka e be in camera so she tell you say omo won sem bi a bi a mo person ye dey omoka. However, so the first thing the can say no correct. It may be mere allegations. Will be able to make assem the two be so. President wo President na appointed me. Misi na name na mi di juma amano. Bibia mi ye bia no. It is attributed to the president. Me wo ho no assembly members wo ho a omo so ehye mase ameni omo ye adwuma. obia de mimidin ye bibi say the mimide premier president din mu de ye ade no to asem we bi ko betima ko ka oba bi say oh this na asoma say mra me ya de bi ko na onim ho hwe nti ameka asem ne say ensem a papa chief bugri na abu aka wo mu na ye ko hu president ye ko president no ube kom kra no na bia the whole year kra na ni kra hu president. It's not easy to get to the president, but just that by virtue so a former regional chairman asem obeka bia no won't be my president me boa o ba me wo sie na me catch you say me ko president to obegye because on appoint me so bia na me president ni appoint me and ye nyoma amanfo no bi ye ebu onya ye panyi a amanfo be didi udini ho ombe didi udini ho asem ama ho dia problem ni ho but problem nya ba ho dia ana na wo be twa just there bi people cry and say na president no cry wonim no until let's not take it as the gospel truth say a son say bugri na abu na eka asem ninti say okuhu president no ko president one president will meet nti no kre another president is in the known or president is supporting whatever is doing enye no kre because ye nyina panyifo ye didi regional minister say ma didi ni wo sa kwa dibi wo wa e ba na e bro so a say oh minister na simi ma yo who's minister so ntimi nkọ no
yes no
me na betima ko minister ho yes and we all do it panyifo ye show ma no wo go Eric tie
o didi abafo di wo sa
because o didi mi di wo sa o ti aka o didi mi di wo wa be do finance wa be do ma so di bia na onya issues bi ni ade oh this is me ni ano no no kwa na so ma ba
no gasa kra
oh you come me action
Eric
He's
first suspended interdiction of 3 officers.
Me pick it from baby Orlando.
Okay.
Kwame. Some so news am de Kwame.
Oh Kwame no you kakra fra.
Dey matter.
Dilute no.
So we MPP need to be special. On say we are na ye wo no. Ade bia wonim wodaach no. Oh ya no why careful. Once I kasa nyina otofa bo pese o kire se obi etimi di obi din wonti ku bi se omo brage keke. Yet Kruma na bugri na butwin table si na nim press conference. Say John Mahama the Predwa Braben Mr. Bish Pajaro in election. Meba. Such a chronic liar. Akokra umpeni mfie. Utimi ya ade we ma MPP communicators so mu Kruma say John Mahama bribe bugri na abu. So the third person na mo trusting it then. And also wakoto recording or no record we are president kwan or the man. Mampeni so intimi keep secret or the man na leaky. Na asem na ba ne ye ka o be ka se obi didi obi din na mo connection man for ya ka se mo ni di Ghana for din o mo bo man na you are not sad cause me je ono an constitution say me se on esu amra me dem ye layman on e de bae
Okay.
Oba wonya mi bi mama no okọ article 200 e kasafa the police service or say there shall be a police service of Ghana. Number 201 now or say there shall be established police council which shall consist of A, the vice president who shall be the chairman. B, the minister responsible for internal affairs, that is the interior minister. C, the inspector general of police. D, attorney general or the representative. E, lawyer nominated by Ghana Bar Association. F, representative of retired senior police officers association. And the last point in so president who akwenya so appointed in Kofomi in the Omokoka. Into Munina or Mobano Denini Baumia. He is the head of the police council.
But that is not him.
Now challenge your constitution.
Me challenge it.
If in some way also police administration, and you know, my question is audio new leaky and a babontina, na parliamentary probe started here. But we may be in the head of the police council, action Ben will take here.
Maybe you take here by you.
Oh, Jai, kwasi Jai. Action Ben will take here. Oh, there may no that man or a mess in our economy. Every last yes, mess.
Wow.
So even the police administration no krana a portion of the economy na exception wana asumwe no. Look at it now. What did they do? And now a whole police administration to meet Rokata no abase. You suspended interdicting conformiensa. Adia chinya na omo assign the krata abase ya na kan so ye boa.
Cancellation council.
Ba. Now one is interdiction ya bone. Because ye wa adwuma mu hai. Kwasi obetimi adasu ne ban bi adia. Ebi ebeka se yenhwehwe won semu. Ne yehwehwe mu kɔ no mpanimfo susu se ma wotena nkyɛn a ne yehwehwe mu wie na wo ho krogen ne de wo ba nya bone. And now asem no public domain obi anim say the police for na ya ne bone wo mutim say ni patere na ye from no asare utim say pettiness e kuno COP asare also on the COP Alex Mensa also on the omufie UP4 who is no politician or work police service into attention na MPP. So after watching the video, you could clearly see Zenka was a pamo moda dada. Yes. And you see, the police administration couldn't take any powerful decision because they are all MPP cronies in Omugu police administration. Oh, yes. Commander Asare or no chain party agent. I was so no money din someone no. Then COP Alex Mensa. Time I hear kwa I was so motunko for to not in charge of operations. He was part. Ebiem or no cry audio no so MPP di obe kwa na Joaz in Kubi. What again do you need? Yanka say police need me ya amanyosemo ba onye ready say be ya amanyosemo yi atade ne fama ye Peter Tobu ye owo interest so ye member of parliament. What did he do? One resign honorably. No, he resigned. No, me say he resigned. He resigned because police administration momra no what me call voluntary retirement mebo. Yeah. E no akọ. Wo de onko you. Wakoka ni tape no so say abana ewo ye nimu aye ba beto no say dampare wo ho impediment ma wa ban no mo ntimi break the 8. Such a wicked mentality. Why? And you think this is something small, eh? I am telling you the gospel truth. Next election I you respect police for na mode omo beba no because ma hye ho na mode omo ba. Me matena dampare started in the cosmetic policing. Ma criticizing it from day one. Because IGP your baby make a food in echi. Camera food in echi. Obi aka hu bi. Oh why you say we sport na wato Guinness. Oh why you say or chikala wele. Or started say man the way this man is behaving in this country. Or assume portfolio be a bury no you pay in the same fans. I don't know. And this is how he started it. Within the police service, ye nim say near me ekoso nenye. Killings ahodo ekoso. Dan paranda your watch who doesn't know. Ah, me krom ni abrante ya. Ye kwache ne nkranza bo ni tu ye de ne batachi man dan pare wakasa fa ho. Na no that test no for the ya ye kwoto mutu mo dan pare wakasa fa ho. And these guys dan pare enema ho. These guys dan pare nye clean. COPLS omu nyino bia nye clean. Now JB dan kwa du ye kum ni ya na ye start ya na ye kan sim said bia na ye invite dan pare so wonkasa. Okazi enim nsam okruma. What is happening in this country and the way they are doing things. Nyame be so mo mako because you can't get position and be as a one why you smooth operated with the corner so bonin kwa na the supervisor. Me dem anu si form no. If the president Akufo-Addo so onim ho hwea onim bia ho hwea de ekoso no so onim ho hwea bugri na bubo ni din wo tape nim so no nkwa no recorded the man ade na by now mun issue disclaimer say the bugri kan nye nokre baby said the presidency do not belong to your mafia group e Ghana for there so if indeed what the man is saying in the tape ni video na ya hwe no nya president sanction ya e de na go do ni so be issue statement say ignore bugri na bu ignore him. But because the connection man bugri na bukoje na wa be say sam omunti no how can he talk Eric what the abana your business baby amoton ne ma enka IGP office you dig ho Eric J kwasi jai o so here begem on Adom TV every say member boys na diska game park every so do draw and address well we need am say mo aba mu why so well we need am aba mu emu kra because ewia dumienu enwere no nsia ebesa draw numbers koso de twa ubedi mo am de enso e ma mutirim kwa my ade Eric last one aja yam on this police administration issue into the omo the letter abase omo redraw interdiction na yate ba kwasi oye den kianeke na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo obe suspended dampare yes mama wo and then kosi ne na otwe won say ye revoke bi mo the suspension but dampare ankasa e be suspended no within 1 week
based on
because nkofo no nkomo na omukodi omu party their interest na omu pe o and akwa say dampare impediment for the party
okay
yes inti me say market here kwambogu wo kwa say dissect chairman on be suspended dampare e fi ne kosi ne na otwe the mekan
say a free ekosi
oh yes
1 week time
na ya suspended dampare no IGP na kasa on twene ho kakra yes Akufo-Addo bibia anya ne den apart from so ntimi monipa ade bia obetimi aye yes omunim yamo where we've gotten to where we've gotten to. Oh, mark my words. That part,
within 1 week time.
Oh, Messi are suspending area. Yeah. Suspending area. And I wa. Men just only 3 days.
Oh, yeah, free 1 week.
Because suspended.
And see, because so I was so to see. I was also now 1 week now. I don't know so I am sure. Ono where Jumo presidency and now you na na santi be there too.
Na my connection man for squad we make kwa.
Onya Jumo ho ntini sem na
video.
Conjectures near.
O ga say eboni din o.
But I say Kwame Yahweh electoral commission against 5 political parties in court on limited voter registration exercise. Out of the over 30 political parties in Ghana, emunum eso mo ni nye electoral commission eye no ho. See registration only war omo district offices. Omo so feel say edika ebeja Ghana for. Etenu sunti be manam so bia ma ebimu kra enko register. Because na ye ka say omo agime agre say ene so hwe ye voters ID card ne pa. Say ya be ye only limited to elections. So bu ona se nani enye hu bebre pa na se pa so boka. No dey akoko trade ya bra enye card or dey ko bank dey akoya that transaction dia ene wo nko. Ene be affect ya election. Electoral commission court hwe no ka ho bebe.
What's I'm not can say you say obi say on my registration be na ni nye abato no ho nti ene o ma meye no ni nye ho dia say ya ni jihu e ba koye I mean pe wo wasem na wo
omo hwe how it will affect the election number of people na betimi a kire omo adwen as to when na be ye mampani wo Ghana no
because obi na ni nye ho okoye kra onto onto. Okay, that's one point. But me person who easy for no omasem what is their issue here then tina omo epese omo ye no constituency based I mean district based
omo issue ba ko kese pai sikasem omo sikomo hwe ni musomba ye adwuma no enye nyina na abedunti no so mo manage ye available to them we be ma exercise no so no aye kama
at the expense of
resources,
the Ghanaian
resources constrained.
That is it.
Okay, because he say o hwe ye mra pona dibu mainum na a constitution na free be bill of rights.
Okay.
Free article 12 konyina kusi 1920 about yes. One of fundamental human rights ni na ewo. And voting is a right to vote. And yet compulsion. See be show say kokoto aba debi. Enunti na osum bi wo man mu a omodom so mun to aba so mo pe development untimi hye no dem to ata say aha but se nipa no so pese okoto dia
asum ben
minim sum kroba osum bi wo Ghana se nipa no so
mo nyelo mun to aba o say yehu afo na no say
yehu afo na obo man kutia
okay enti se obi so wo ho a no pese okokoto aba no so a untumi mfa bibi nsi no kwan se o mane nkoto aba if I say aha multimedia mo boss kosichum fan say election day isi juada untumi nkan jo se kosi bra adwuma men nkoto aba obasa utitia ofa
o pese me koto a
pese okoto nko ade a o so ukona okokoto aha enti say hu these two angles na fe hu ba bia asem no ye be ka fa abato enye force ana obi nso pese okoto a untumi fa nyoma nsi akwan mu se o mane nkoto. These are the first legs I was saying to me. Now, if you follow so muniska mo betimi aye no mbebiem. Because the best practices na menim say ye koye nimu democracy no it's over 30 years in Ghana here. 1992 near Shasia na yaba na yaba bidruha from opaque ballot box to transparent ballot box to photo ID, thumbprint, fingerprint to photo ID, black and white to colored, say biometric verification and what have you. Like I say, you two and I'm also be watching or share on my Ghana as a case study in terms of electoral reforms. But boy, on some might say I am. And best practices. Me, I believe in best practices. Say, over the period say na easy for no aye no say ba limited registration bi a obetimi aboa ye say na omoye no ye no district centers nko a ana bi a ibiem kakra say bi a district bia no bi a be hwe say be electoral area base ko ba me ho a me wo 26 electoral areas and the wo enti nkaye electoral area base the whole district no hantin ke benya 26 points e bitimi I register the thing I me can say ni say her best practices no na say over the period no say ni e na etimi achieve ya na say ende ye say ade district centers nko a ebe ha adwene the nche be na ha adwene because the nche be na ha adwene ni say my district for instance free Abuaboso Eba Mansodibia, which is the district capital, you will have to drive a minimum of 3 hours 30 minutes before you get there. Oh yes, Muwa.
Hey,
I Muwa.
Baby, I see district office.
Ukro Mumampong, Beni, Ufri Beni, Ukro Minimo, Ufri Beni Bamampong, Kruma, Emuwa. Emuwa. No, that is how districts are carved.
Yeah.
You know, because baby, I'm making. Now, I'm Tabosre. Tabosre mene ayi na bohye apadencha ayi diaso mene na bohye and so if you tell you say muwa of diaso to free central region e be ra Ashanti region muwa so it happens in almost all the districts we mo cosmopolitans yi municipals here wo krom yi free mu and because he said o ka so be free ho mra na say nipa no pese oto aba onya obeto but e bia onya ka sika mfa ma now afi aba beto politicians so Eric J e was scanty no be kwa ofaka no da fankofo aba amna be register ama wo mo okay and as a member of parliament now within that district no say who seats who person who maintain seat now then you will have to go the extra mile over work and it's our cost no I mean who say a cost shifting now as a easy for no pia e because e say me DC metiwe na me nkofo afrem so chief you say you register ba ba bia we o say me peka de kofo no ba register and also kwa be Sunday stampede bi as a pressure be ba center no so unim machines here you see we do any say ajame a freezy why because electronics and you use and you there baby who say I was say court asem it's in iPack wo hon time say asem no de me obe kana na make and abeka bi fufuro
now for no so omo nko iPack
I didn't know omo nko iPack
omo say omo ni electoral commission
sign for constitution
no I don't know no and something you know
okay
is it iPack no fine obe kana say any legal framework by binding constitution be the be oh and he say anka we nyina iPack nkomo a bitimi atena say didi nkomo say oh mami isi yesrew de o kan de say de o kasa o budget a wo ni skai ye nyina ya hu say bia budget na o sika na dodo na open te be say sa fa koto aban anim na ye nhwe na ye ntwe ni aban nkasa because aban ye so ya kan because political party na wo aban ba ko ye court to sem na say da bia you are just trying to be an impediment on the way of the electoral commission
okay
and ye be say isi we ye nyina ye nhwe na say be no electoral area basis na be bia na benya baako wo ho say be ya nipa no can even walk to the center accessibility no aye nanka I think say ye say and no be bani enjoy the antagonistic stance na ya taking we there the is ni be ka bia no so ye be oppose we yes we will not be making headway
Kwasi me da say I think say this is the first time my MPP ni are honest Kwambuku yeah I mean sure
o come on in honest o can dey na honest
electoral commission sense mo how he spoke na oni ada MPP for ni bisia na said o mokasa I would say Kwambuku ntiase no wasoro pa chen nkofo no bebre so ezemo ye mass education na o kasa kire nkofo
me district chief executive
aban catch penny that is it ba won nkofo na wo form no we fi so mo free form na frosoro no mo nkai no electoral commission asema ye candidate then aba you say 5 political parties NDC kan ho ye court ni nyina ne say ye de asema akodan court ba tan say kwan ya yisi person ofaso ye registration no ene ye mra no boy bra enye ntino omonhwe na offer a constitution ajade lawyer Kwampoku de bai ya meji offer na call article 42 of the constitution kasafa right to vote or say every citizen of Ghana of 18 years of age or above and of a sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purposes of public elections. Into entitlement as a citizen, semre no so utimi ma odin ko krata ya de to abam se wadwen mu da ho na wadin fie du nwotwe kwa. The same constitution oko article 45 clause 45E na it talks about the functions of the commission. E or say to undertake programs for expansions of registration of voters. That is the EC. Expansion and registration of voters. So the simple question I busa and then say the EC and no nipa entitlement no under article 41 nipa ni benya na ebi under 45E no expansion na was the EC and obenya na no over the same CR 91 EC edidi ni juma ne ya in the CR 91 I think regulation 22B and also kasafa enema I was electoral commission and I read or say regulation 22B of CR 91 provide in designating a place as a registration center, the commission shall take into consideration a suitability of place for use as a polling station on election day. Emrane say per the CI 91 say easy so okwa akotru din a baby a easy betru din no e wo say ho yetimi ya baby yetimi to aba wo ho daache meaning say suitable place easy office polling station wo for elections. Then the next one B or say the accessibility that talks about accessibility of the place now and kwafo ko register no so be. So the question is say the me kwa me yin na nkwakura ne tonight me ko mi kru ma kru ba ko ye friend ya atwene kru ufi ho oba me district capital obetwa be 40 kilometers nti say nipa na ufi ya atwene kru mo twa 40 kilometers and so Basampa district capital now Basampa so a lorry fare from ya atwene kru to Sampa near 40 Ghana cedis all banko an or sin akobaka another 40 Ghana cedis 80 Ghana cedis. Say nipa na etimi ba say the whole year no hu 200 Ghana cedis da no ono ne ba nyamfie du nwotwe akwada no e wo so otwero ne din no exercise ne fundamental human right yeah incumbent upon electoral commission say udi dwumadie ne be ban amaboboa no per the law and the EC ka kire o say ono no financially ne na ho odin wo fo munti no maamefo no ne awofo no ne wosika nti omumum nso omoma no hu kam ne emfo omomre Sampa na ye ba te say de na Kwampoku kan yesi computer network ne jame nipa 10 ye be register nti enu no so a na wakope hotel bi ahan na wada na wasenya peduani adi ade echi na wasenya be di. So what sort of stress is this? And what we are saying is ebu ye mrapon no so the provisions I cited ebu so cry because obi right no ayene right anakwesi meboa.
Yeah.
And in the history of our country yenye limited registration ma we been see that just a jemensa. The last limited registration at Charlotte, again, we no cry the last time it was around 1,500 polling stations. A year then and the Swati about 275. Said district offices. And the question is, because you could jam enough. Na you see a year registration with EC office. No biaba. Was you fi atwene krum. Agent no gina ho na nipa ba ko fi mi krum suma hin kru. Nti say nipa no be there challenge ni say nipa ni free constituency ho. Because that is the essence in the agent near the adin alcohol. And EC should know, say, voter register no. You interested the kwaji salary, you the to aba. Political parties, you swaba near the to. Until you interested parties no. Until a dear biana our interest is core. So you can't tell us, say, men I am a studious cemetery. Now trading we are, what the Bama Roman for? Your political parties may be used to their to aba. Until constituencies now, more to poor bonus and more pecuniary real more near money beam no. Yes, Kwampoku kasa si ema hu so support ya. Obeko ba bi ya calculation we ha nipa 20 kra ni twa MP 16 votes. This is what we have to do. And they can easily do it.
Okay, so
because me district no meba kwasi ana krobia no yema agent ba ko free krobia no so ko EC office.
Okay, when the
first say simesi ana obentemba na o si office ma hin kura na erikeja pagya ne sase ufifie ben mu bro no ben so na oteme na metimi atese. EC etoda munyisu ade no.
Let me read some reports be what my joy online, and let me quote my colleague Koku Asante. Your yeah, your money boni or tone crime free my shibby film. say ordinary so total form no the electoral commission catch now on so bomama ni eni easy to proceed with the limited voters registration at district offices despite opposition na mamenko tikwaku ewo ahano o say owura electoral commission asemo wa tete ono so bomama ni bi eni currently they are not considering at all the cost to decentralize the process to the electoral area. They believe that that's a ship that has sailed and that if the political parties and other activists are interested, then they must also do their bit to drive these people out of these communities to their district offices to register. So near Koku Asante and Susu Akote from Electoral Commission tonight and they say political parties need fee say how can say the man or man for so mefaka and the other to have registered there. Then they should also do their bit to drive these people out of these
communities. Useless. Huh? Ana James and no nim say Ghana no shares woman or your shareholder. Yet to Kroma na mokofa pitapia any communicator. Nya we will take decision am I. Look at this nonsense. Why won't I go back home? Do they know my village? Or my Kwabena Sante? And nobody Asia. Master, no, only baby I move me free. What? Only say no yen ko basi omo. Omo to petra ma parties no.
Erica no so
no I thought that James and my mini journey hunter Jezebel home no woni mu too much. Yes. No. Look at how she's behaving. You talk about we Gabon. You talk about we Gabon. Electoral commission is and that one here. What say soldier for Ajaban no. Me say you talk about we Gabon. Say muna is in there. You see what has happened? Ma mini mu obia. Who is she? No. Miss who is she? Omo obia okroma. Say you fa kan ko fa nipa. You go form one. Obeto Petra mai on the high can. O can opposition that forms our own.
They are kwesi.
Na for so na for mo.
Na mo connection man for mo ha.